How to text on TikTok if it doesn't work. Maybe you're trying to text someone on TikTok and it's not working because you don't see the message option right there. Now, first of all, there are many guidelines to this. Either if you or the account that you're trying to message or send a message to is under 18 years of age, then you'll not be able to DM that person. Now, if you're trying to DM other persons but not DM that particular person, then it could be that that particular person's account has restrictions, or maybe they have allowed a privacy setting to not allow DMs, or maybe you do not follow each other. Now, some of the accounts, what they do is they allow messaging only from friends, which means if you follow each other, so that creator might have actually allowed messages only from their friends. If you also go to your profile, tap the three lines option and go to your settings and privacy and go to privacy, you can see you can allow direct messages from everybody, or you can only from suggested friends or friends, which means followers you follow back, or no one. So if they set their privacy to any of these settings, or even you yourself including, then in that case there is nothing that you can do aside from simply request or follow request that person, and then hopefully you wait until they follow you back, and then only you could message each other. I hope that this video helped you understand some of the guidelines as to why you are not being able to message someone and what you can do in this case. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.